If you have this funny feeling in your stomach that marketing is broken, you are not alone and you're certainly not crazy. I asked Mark Schaefer, yes, the Mark Schaefer, the same question in a recent Rise Community AMA forum. Is marketing broken? And his answer hits hard. Marketing used to be human, rooted in anthropology, psychology, and real human connection. Now, it's a tech stack optimized for leads, soulless, and way too noisy. Mark laid out 3 main reasons. 1, we're stuck using old expectations in a completely new world. 2, we've overdosed on performance marketing and completely lost our soul. And 3, we're just so freaking boring. But here's the good news, and according to Mark, the most human companies have, can, and will continue to be the ones that rise to the top. And bold marketers, we're not extinct. We're just getting started. So no, marketing isn't quite dead yet, but it is calling for a revival. Let's be the ones to bring that heart back. Click below to read the full story, and we'll see you again soon.